Zimbabwe Revenue Authority (ZIMRA) has announced plans to introduce a new e-commerce tax platform in 2026, but citizens and analysts say the initiative reflects President Mnangagwa's increasingly punitive approach to revenue collection. Sabida mashoko buda panko eno zvinzi Mnangagwa turns Zimbabwe into tax prison. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell like what ibina mna mobile kwa mchinzi. Speaking at the 12th Global Forum Competent Authorities Conference in Victoria Falls, ZIMRA Commissioner for Domestic Taxes, Mnangagwa, revealed that services such as BNBs and e-hailing platforms like InDrive will be brought under strict registration and taxation rules. In quotes, "We have no one we are going to leave behind as far as registration is concerned. Even if you own the vehicle, make sure it is properly registered and subscribed according to the laws of the country," Gova warned. While ZIMRA insists the system will be user-friendly, critics argue it is another example of Mnangagwa's administration prioritizing control over support, burdening micro businesses already battling economic hardships. Gova admitted penalties would be severe. Whether you are a little taxpayer or starting your business, start it well. Let us not be found non-compliant. The penal provisions will not be good for anyone. Analysts warn that instead of encouraging entrepreneurship, the plan risks driving small operations out of business or leaving larger companies untouched. This government talks of empowerment but delivers punishment. Ordinary people are paying the price for Mnangagwa's failure to revive the economy, said one Harare-based economist. Mnangagwa's administration is also moved to extend taxation beyond borders, compelling foreign-based operations to pay tax in Zimbabwe. Critics say this reflects a desperate bid for everyone rather than genuine reform. Although ZIMRA boasts that more than 16 big companies are already compliant under its terms systems, traders fear the new digital platform will become yet another bureaucratic trap. Observers say the strategy risks turning Zimbabwe into a tax prison where struggling citizens are penalized instead of supported. Domashwarubuda pangwa ino wanachoona kuti aiwa Zimbabwe panguva ino yanyasa kutenewa into a tax prison. When counts each and every cent remunhu panguva ino ari kuita kutsomewa awane ZANU-PF. Ina comment section medu mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, check on the bell icon.